Hi, myself I am Ratnabhushan. Welcome to ASG अभिनव स्टडी ग्रुप. एनवायरनमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी के इस प्रोग्राम में मैं आपको बताऊंगा सक्सेशन, व्हाट इज सक्सेशन एंड हाउ इट वर्क्स एंड हाउ इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू इकोसिस्टम और इकोलॉजी और एनवायरनमेंट बायोडाइवर्सिटी. Succession: all living organisms and their environment are mutually reactive, affecting each other in various ways. Animal population, flora and vegetation are interdependent through environment and are mutually reactive. Environment, which is actually a complex of the several interrelated factors, is much more dynamic. It means that it is going to be vary from place to place and as well as at a time. Works as a sieve selecting organism for growth from so many forms as it one the other factor becomes critical at critical stages of the life cycle of the species. A species is also a plastic and react to varying environment to get itself adjusted structurally and physiologically in the changing environment. This is achieved by the degree of plasticity set by genetic constitution of the species. Genetic constitution of the species. Genetic constitution of the species. The various forms of species, in order to meet the challenge of changed environment, may arise by virtue or somatic plasticity. The ecads, or by recognition of their genes during sexual reproduction, ecotypes. Therefore, species may increase their capacity of tolerance towards changing environment by developing ecads and ecotypes. It is not only by the environment which influences the life of organism, but organisms too modify their environment as a result of their growth, dispersal, reproduction, and death, decay, etc. Therefore, the environment is caused to change due to organism activities. The dynamic environment and organism makes ways for the development of different kinds of organisms through a process known as succession. The dynamic environment and organism makes ways for the development of different kinds of organisms through a process known as succession. The process continues till the development of a community which is now more or less stable and is now able to keep itself adjusted in equilibrium with environment. This final stage of community is called climax. Under natural condition, different kinds of population undergo succession. Ecosystem undergo an orderly process of change with time, passing from a less complex of a more complex state. This process involves not only changes in species composition but also changes in the physical environment of a community. The terminal or stabilized state is known as climax. The terminal or stabilized state is known as climax. The terminal or stabilized state is known as climax. According to Evans, the ecosystem involves the circulation, transformation, and accumulation of energy and matter through the medium of living things and their activities. Succession is therefore an ecological phenomenon. Succession is therefore an ecological phenomenon of replacement of an earlier ecosystem by a higher biomass rich and tropically diversified ecosystem. It is usually a long-term process taking centuries for a time series procession of more resistant system of producer, consumer and decomposer organism, resulting into a stable system accompanying biotically transformed terrain or habitat under a given climate. Then came the probabilities of disruption and exploitation of ecosphere. Applied ecology or a human ecology is the use of ecological concept to describe human activities and the determination of ways in which people can best obtain from their needs from ecosystem. Ecosystem which are substantially altered by human activities are called managed, whereas those free from such disturbances are natural one. So this is about the succession. Then come the probabilities of disruption and exploitation. So thank you very much to watch my programs and wish you all the best and good luck.